Right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and again, good to see you. Just a very quick update today on the Glencar Construction site. Hopefully I'll be able to get some footage, although it's quite sunny and quite a lot of clouds up there. I do like the clouds, I like the contrast of the old cloudy skies. It's also quite windy, and I was going to bring the Mavic Air out, but I forgot it. So I've only got the Mavic Mini with me, and I'm not too sure if it's too windy for the Mini, but I'll give it a go, because what I want to show you now is they're actually putting the rock wool insulation onto one of the walls before they put the final sort of exterior cladding on, so that'd be quite nice if I can get that in shot. And also on the second unit, so the one in the middle between the other two, I believe that they're also craning up some of the sort of roof structure bits and pieces. So again, hopefully I can get that, because the crane's on site today, but it's all dependent on the wind really. So I'll try my best, and if it all turns out okay, then obviously you'll be seeing this. I was going to say, if it doesn't turn out alright, you won't be seeing this, but that really doesn't make much sense, does it? But there you go. So hopefully I'll try and get this footage of the rock wool insulation going on one of the sides, and the crane hoisting up the sort of metal struts for the second unit. Stand by. Well, hope you enjoyed that footage. Didn't turn out too badly at all, did it, really, in the end, despite the wind. The Mini 2, I have to say, handled the gusts of wind really well. So anybody out there who was looking for looking at the Mini 2 as possibly their first drone, or even, you know, their second or third drone, then yeah, you know, it can handle pretty sort of gusty wind conditions and still give you that fantastic footage. As you saw, the site's coming on leaps and bounds yet again, and who knows, in a week's time, one of this first unit may be finished on the outside, and then I believe it's down to sort of putting a concrete floor on the base, and well. So